welcome to series Raji's Cuisine. Today we'll be doing crab croustillant with raspberry sauce. This is the most requested dish in Raji's restaurant, and she says that this reminds her of a fat porcupine dish, very delicately looking dish, and at the same time a very filled with flavors. And she says that she started making these different types of dishes after working with James Louis Paladin's kitchen, where she learned a lot of newer techniques and new ideas of how to add fusion. And she came up with this dish at James Beard House in New York, where she was preparing for a big event, and she decided to do this as a trial run for the chefs who are there. And once when the chefs had this dish, when they were served this dish, they instantly said, Raji is brewing her fusion magic with the dishes. So I hope you enjoy, and let's look at the ingredients needed for crab croustillant with raspberry sauce.
Here are the ingredients for crab croustillant with raspberry sauce. Fine vermicelli, 1 cup. 6 tablespoons of crab meat, cooked crab meat. 2 ounces of cream cheese. 2 tablespoons of fennel fond, slightly chopped. 2 tablespoons of turmeric oil. It is the warm oil with the turmeric roasted in it, so that we have turmeric oil. 3 tablespoons of ghee. 1/4 cup of raspberries, and small teaspoon, less than a teaspoon, I would say 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. So the ingredients: we are going to start the oven to roast the vermicelli to 500 degrees, and then we're going to layer these fine vermicelli into a baking sheet with parchment paper and bake it for 3 minutes. In a medium saucepan, I'm going to fry the mustard seeds and raspberries. So I'm adding the half ghee and adding the mustard seeds to let it roast. The mustard seeds are roasting. Now I'm going to add the raspberries. Make sure they're roasted but not mushy. Like 2 minutes. So our raspberries are very soft now. So we are going to take it and keep it on the side and cover it so they stay warm. Cover the raspberries to keep them warm. In a separate bowl, take crab, meat, cream cheese and fennel fonds and mix them well with a wooden spoon. Balls out of this, like I would say in this case 2 balls, so that we can roast it. Take in another baking pan, put the remaining of the vermicelli. We are going to roll these into balls and put in the vermicelli and roll them around so it is all coated with vermicelli. Our vermicelli is lightly roasted into brown, golden brown. I've made 2 rolls. We have coated these with the vermicelli completely, and I'm going to drizzle the oil or the ghee on top of this, so it's already nicely coated. and then place in the oven for 2 minutes or only until the vermicelli becomes golden brown, because we don't want the cheese to be running also. Just 2 minutes. Here we have the 2 balls nicely coated with ghee and ready to be going into the oven for 1 to 2 minutes. Keep watching, make sure the vermicelli is just golden brown, and take it out of the oven. They are nicely roasted now ready to be plated. So on a plate we are going to mix our raspberry sauce and put the cheese balls in the middle. So the raspberries became mushy, so we put the sauce in the center, and we are going to plate the ball right in the center, and we are going to squirt a little bit of the turmeric oil and add the roasted golden vermicelli on top of it. Our dish is complete. I have decorated it with a little bit of fennel fronds on the top, and you could use caviar to decorate. Caviar also in the center, so it adds a little more saltiness to the dish. Crab croustillant with raspberry sauce is ready to be served. Enjoy.